Hi, have you ever done a retreat before receiving important sacraments? As our holy matrimony is just a few weeks away, Ryan and I took some time away from work to be with Jesus. 8:30 a.m. We checked in for a 4-day, 3-night stay retreat. I love that it's so quiet that you can even hear birds chirping.
Hello.
Come, I will show you how my room looks like. It's in the second floor.
Okay.
Pardon the mess there. The other single bed is unused as we booked individual rooms. There's a table for you to do some journaling or reading. Clothes rack if you need to wash some clothes. Private toilet that is attached to each room. 3 p.m. Ryan went for his spiritual direction session, so I'm in my room to journal and read the Bible. Early at 9:30 a.m., we attended a workshop to learn how to minister to one another as a community through Bible reflections. So I thought I could dwell on that a bit more. For lunch, we went to Real Mall to eat Hillion Hong Kong Cafe. It's a 15 minutes walk from Montfort Centre. We went to the supermarket to buy UCC instant coffee as well. After his SD session, Ryan tried out the library. Isn't the sunset beautiful? We walked 12 minutes to Hillion Mall for dinner. Sukiya beef bowl. My SD session is at 8 p.m. every night.
Hello.
Going to mass now.
Walking there.
Okay. Looks like we had the whole place to ourselves.
Practically no people.
Okay.
Check out the view.
There got a library. And behind us is spiritual direction room there. So every day we go there one time. Now we're going down the hill to St. Joseph Church for Mass. It's Sunday. Our Mass is 9:30. Now it's 9:15. We will get there super early. Follow us! This is where the Brothers of St. Gabriel stay at.
Check out Jesus.
So this Jesus is the part where Montfort was in Contracto. He wanted to build a cross, but then the government said no.
And we are now at St. Joseph already.
Yeah, it's quite amazing.
Prove that we are in St. Joseph ground. These are the crematorium. The columbarium, sorry. Yes. Okay, I'm walking inside the columbarium, so I'm gonna shoot myself instead.
Ta-da! We are mass ready.
I'm waiting to go in.
Like only 1 minute eh.
Yeah, just to
Show you
prove that we are at St. Joseph. That is the gigantic rosary place.
Rosary Garden.
Yeah, the rosary garden. The one that we watched the episode, please.
Okay, why is there a long queue outside?
I think the previous mass haven't finished.
Oh wow. But
There's a mass happening right now. So
like further away from me.
right.
When you selfie, then after that it's like my face. It's like I shorter than you.
You are shorter than me.
We're walking to the front entrance of the church now. I haven't gotten bitten yet, but I think the mosquito repellent works.
It's like a 3-minute walk.
I think like one.
Is it?
Going in now.
Right.
This is the main church of St. Joseph's Church, Bukit Timah. (3 p.m. we are at St. Lazare Lounge, waiting for our appointment to meet Father Terence Kesavan at his seminary office. Ryan is reading a letter to the Friends of the Cross by St. Louis Marie de Montfort. His retreat SD, Zara, recommended it. The books can be found in the Montfort Centre library. For me, I'm doing my homework by my retreat SD, Genevieve. For lunch, we took a train from Cashew to Orchard. We ate at Food Republic at Shaw House. (10 p.m. Cooking supper for Ryan. Instant noodles, bread and eggs are complimentary for staying retreatants. I cooked dry noodles and added some chili flavoring to it. Oops, it might have been too spicy. He likes it! Yay! Good night, Ryan. Time for me to go to sleep too. (8 a.m. Ryan starts his day bright and early with spiritual direction with Zara. Lighting of the candles symbolizes the presence of God leading the conversation that follows. A spiritual director leads us to where God is, and this helps us to discern where God is leading us. This is crucial for everyone who desires to pick up the cross and follow Christ.
I think you are listening very attentively.
Yes, and this is the point whereby I invite you to some silence and you can close your eyes and then just kind of
9 a.m. Time for a cup of coffee, and Ryan continues to stay with God in the silence. While the world gets ready for a new work week, it's really a gift to be just present with Jesus. The aroma of coffee and the morning dew, the sounds of insects and birds. What a marvelous time to be alive. Today, we walk 15 kilometers from Montfort Centre to Little Flock office at Admiralty. Stay tuned for the next episode for that 4-hour walk segment. Today, I try out the labyrinth. It's meant to be a slow, prayerful exercise. Today, we joined another in-house workshop to learn how to do prayer walks. What caught my eye was that the branch on this tree looks like there were many insects resting on it. But upon closer inspection, it turns out that it's just the skin on the tree branch. It was so fascinating and it mesmerized me for a really long time. These leaves are like heart-shaped. This food truck is here at Montfort Centre because of us. They delivered our food here as we wanted a food tasting of our lunch at the church canteen after the wedding mass. Here's a quick glimpse of Montfort Centre's entrance. We've gotten our lunch. Is it a lot? For 5 bags? After lunch, we checked out by leaving our keys in the room. Thank you, Montfort Centre, for hosting us for our pre-Holy Matrimony retreat.